Hey guys, I have a quick 2-minute tip for you today. I am embroidering this small lettering on a polo shirt, and as you can see here, this letter A is going to close up when I sew it. I have a lot of pull compensation on this because it's going on a knit, and the lettering is 5.3 millimeters tall, so it's quite small. So here's a great way to fix that. I'm going to click on my reshape tool, and I'm going to grab that letter A. Oh, I gotta take it off of True View. Hang on. Here we go. Click on that letter A and grab, I'm just gonna hold down my left mouse key and grab that center bar, and I'm using my arrow key, my down arrow key, and I'm just gonna pull that down. So now when this embroiders, you're gonna be able to see a space there, and even though we've altered the letter, when you sew it, it looks beautiful. It really helps a lot. So I hope that's a tip that you can use. And tune in again for some more. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.